Okay guys, so here's another one. I have the Mallow Pot by Happy Skin. So dito ko na siya bubuksan. For the product video, habol ko na lang, pero this is the package. Meron tayong bubuksan na plastic. So it has, I believe it has a, ayan, parang silicone na spatula. And there's the silicone gel, and here's the item. I got the red velvet, so tingnan natin. Oh no, sabihin nag-melt na to. Yikes! So nag-melt na to while in the delivery. Tingnan natin. Here's the pigment. It's very pigmented, in fairness. I don't have makeup currently. I don't even have foundation, pero let's see. This is a raw video. Let's try sa kabila. Sorry guys, I'm so oily. Pero ganyan siya. I got the red velvet because I want to compare this to my Fui na Mallow Pot also. Parang ganon. So malambot din siya. And this is the color lyrics. So go to part 2.